Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the country in the Google Play Store. First of all, open up your Google Play Store application on your phone. After that, go to the top right corner and then tap on Profile icon. Here, tap on the Payments and Subscription option. After that, tap on the Payment Methods option right over here. Then tap on More Payment Settings. Now tap on the three bars located at the top left corner. Then tap on the Settings option here. After that, scroll down, and here you will find the option of County or Region. So simply, you need to tap on the pen and then tap on the Create New Profile option here. After that, tap on the Continue button. Then, here you have the option to choose your country. Once you have selected your desired country, then just tap on the Continue button. Here, enter your information such as your name and your new address. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.